y'all. I know you haven't seen me for a minute. I'd like to say that I'm back from my hiatus, but I know it may seem like I'm not because I came back, but then I kind of really didn't. Well, I'm really sorry for that. You know, stuff happens in life, okay? So, with that being said, I'm working on my way coming back to back, or back from or to start junk journaling, right? Or journaling. But you guys, this is what I've been doing. I have been creating for the past maybe year or so. And so I've got these going on right here, and I thought I would share them with you. Because I was doing some other stuff, but never felt like, oh, I should make videos. And now I feel the energy to just be able to get back out here. So this is what I have. This is like a little keychain, right? And I always wanted to make, you know, the little beaded pens, but I never just got into it, you know, tried to find some stuff on Amazon, and really, you guys, I just didn't have the fire. Well, something was like, just start doing it, you know, start creating again. And so I absolutely love these. And I was, you guys, oh my goodness, I have made a ton. I'm not even going to lie to you. I'm just going to pop that in and show you that. And I did these in like one day. Pop that in and show you those. I'll probably do a little bit more and show those, but I wanted to show that. So I have that, and I also have these. Check this out. So put this on my wrist, and it says Divine. You know how they have the beaded wristlets, right? So that's what this is, and I love it. Love the colors. I'm not done, of course, you can see. But I wanted to show you guys this. I'm thinking about putting them in the shop. I need to show my shop some love, and so hopefully you guys will too. But anyway, look at that. So I'm not the skinniest girl these days, right? But this is for my BDLs without the BBLs, okay? So BDL stands for Bodacious Divine Ladies. Yes. So I want to create something else to go with that, like a pen. I have a pen, but I don't know if, you know, I'm going to put that one with that one. But look at that. Look, that was supposed to be the set, right? And it still may. But this is my pen. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, and so there are those. And then I have these pens to go with, look at this. This little bracelet, just pop it on. I haven't closed them off because I was kind of farting around with them. And the teardrop wristlet, right? Isn't that cute? So this like would be a set, right? And maybe I would add something else with it or something. I don't know. I'm working on it. But anyway, thank you guys for giving me your time. I look forward to your comments of, hi, we're glad you're back. And if you don't have anything nice to say, do not leave a comment. No, seriously, guys. Love that I am back in the community again. I missed you guys. Have a good one.